Section 6 of the Unit 11 exam for geometry on volume. Once again, we are responsible to know how to find the volume of these 9 solids: a triangular prism, rectangular prism, hexagonal prism, cylinder, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, cone, and sphere. All these formulas are given to you via the SOL formula sheet. We just need to go ahead and find them, utilizing them, and knowing which shape we're doing, plugging in the known information, and getting our answer. So we'll start off with 6A, where we clearly see that we have a rectangular prism with a volume formula of capital B times H, where H is the height, and B stands for area of the base. So height, we clearly see here, is equal to 7 inches. B for area of the base. Since we have a rectangular base, we're going to go ahead and simplify this formula a little bit further, making it more applicable to us. So the base area is calculated by length times width, area formula for a rectangle, again times that height. So we can go ahead and substitute our known values. Length of 8, width of 12 times the height of 7, giving us a volume of 672 inches cubed. Okay, taking a look at example B, we are finding the volume of what we see in the cylinder. Volume formula equal to pi r squared h, where h is the height and r is the radius. We see that we are given both in this problem, the height of 7, and we are given the radius straight up as 4. Oftentimes, the radius is given, maybe we're given the diameter, which we have to cut in half for the radius, but in this case we see the radius is 4. So substituting in our known value, volume equals pi times 4 squared times 7, which gives us 112 pi feet cubed, if we're keeping it in terms of pi, or if we multiply it out, 351.9 feet cubed. Last problem, once again, we're finding a missing length. Here we're given the volume of this triangular pyramid with a volume formula of 1/3 area of the base times the height. We can modify this formula a little bit more by actually knowing what the formula is for the area of the base. Here, once again, we are given a triangle, so the formula for area of a base is 1/2 base times height, in terms of the actual base values here. That means our volume formula, volume is equal to 1/3 times area of the base, which is a triangle, 1/2 base times height, times the actual height of our pyramid. Now, as you notice, we're actually trying to find the height of the pyramid, and we're given all the other information. So the volume here we can see given as 96 inches cubed. That should be equal to 1/3 times the 1/2 base. So my base here, if we're thinking about it, the two dimensions that were in question here are 6 and 8. So times 6 times 8, then times my height that is unknown. So we're trying to find out this height right there. Well, the only other missing variable here is h. We can go ahead and simplify this down. Let's multiply all this out. 1/3 times 1/2 times 6 times 8 gives me a value of 8. So 96 equals 8h. Divide both sides by 8, and we get h is equal to 12 inches, our missing value. So once again, in all three of these examples, or in all three of these sections, we've seen where we're using formulas not only to find the actual value, but also using the formulas to find a missing dimension from the given formula. Perfect.